Is brownish discharge normal in early pregnancy? Brown discharge is usually brown due to old blood leaving the body, which can be an early symptom of pregnancy. Brown discharge during pregnancy is not generally a cause for concern. However, pregnant women who experience dark brown discharge should contact their doctor. Is brown discharge normal at 4 weeks pregnant? Implantation bleeding. If you're very early on in your pregnancy and actively looking for symptoms, you may notice some light spotting around week 4. This can be implantation bleeding, or the bleeding that occurs when the fertilized embryo burrows into the highly vascular lining of your uterus. What discharge indicates pregnancy? While many women experience vaginal discharge, it's not often associated with pregnancy. But most pregnant women will secrete sticky, white, or pale yellow mucus early on in the first trimester and throughout their pregnancy. Increased hormones and vaginal blood flow cause the discharge. When should I be concerned about brown discharge? Although it may look daunting, brown discharge usually isn't anything to worry about. Brown discharge is vaginal mucus saturated in old blood. As such, it's usually a darker brown color. As long as your discharge isn't carrying a strong, bad odor, you most likely have nothing to worry about. Is brown spotting at 8 weeks normal? Implantation bleeding. This usually happens around the time your period would normally have been due. Some women have had implantation bleeding after 8 weeks of pregnancy. An implantation bleed is very light bleeding, spotting, that is usually pinkish and sometimes brown. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.